In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to opt out of training in Claude. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the privacy setting that controls whether your conversations are used to improve the model and how to switch it off with confidence. First, open Claude. You can do this in your browser or in the app if you use one. Give it a moment to load to the main interface. If you use more than one account, just make sure you're in the one where you want the change to apply. Everything we do next happens right inside Claude's own settings, so you won't need any external tools or add-ons. Next, head to your Profile or Settings area. Look for your profile picture, initials, or a small gear icon. These are typically found in the upper corner of the screen. Click that to open the Settings menu. This is where Claude groups all of your account preferences, including general options, notifications, and what we're after today, privacy controls. Once you're in Settings, go to the section labeled Privacy or Data. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on updates, but it will clearly reference how your information is handled. Open that section to see options related to data usage and control. This page is designed to be transparent about what's collected and how it may be used, and it's the right place to manage your training preferences. Now, locate the option called Use Data for Training and turn it off. This will typically be a toggle or switch. When you switch it off, you're telling Claude not to use your future conversations to help train or improve its models. In most cases, the change saves automatically, and the toggle will visually confirm it's off. You don't need to do anything else for it to take effect. Keep in mind that this setting applies going forward. It doesn't retroactively change how past data may have been handled, so it's a good idea to review the privacy policy if you want details on retention and usage. Turning this off won't stop you from using Claude. It simply limits how your content contributes to training. That's it. Open Claude, go to Profile or Settings, navigate to Privacy or Data, and switch off Use Data for Training. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same place and turn it back on. It's also worth revisiting this page occasionally, since services sometimes update their controls. Taking a minute to adjust this setting gives you more control over how your information is used, while keeping your day-to-day experience with Claude smooth and familiar.